I think with Booyco Electronics being a pioneer in the industry and being around for 20 odd years, we've built some good relationships with existing customers that we see are moving into Africa. Some of these expats are in key positions in developing and implementing systems like PDS. So I think the fact that we've developed so far, the equipment has improved so much, and the fact that we've now actually pioneered the systems and cutting edge, it's definitely positions well to actually expand into Africa. I think once when they adopt PDS, in addition to the obvious of proximity detection, it's mainly used as, it can be implemented as a tool for change management to ensure that we actually remove people from different scenarios and different vehicles. The information achieved or obtained through PDS can also be used for change management, can be used to identify hotspots, and really the big thing for us at its core and foundation is definitely the change and the ability to do change management. As a result of the global mining area becoming a much smaller place, what we found is that different standards are being adopted globally, and the different standards for different regions are definitely being reduced. And the ability to comply to most of the standards internationally has definitely positioned us to comply to most of the regionalized standards. So that, based on a technology and the ability of software to implement solutions, has definitely positioned us very nicely to actually be adaptable in the different regions for very specific and different PDS requirements. So I think one of the things that we've come to realize very quickly is, even within South Africa, different cultures within different mines, and we've seen that in the rest of SADC as well. So one of the things that we really support and entice is to actually develop local people that fully understand the culture, they fully understand the language, they understand the mining environment in which they operate. So the ability to use them and have a customer or a human-centric focus in terms of change management to get them to adopt a new technology. We've seen that's a much better approach rather than trying to force down technology for people to adopt solutions. I think one of the challenges that everybody faces is getting into Africa. There's quite a logistical nightmare from time to time. Languages is an issue, getting people to understand why that is. So what we've seen initially is that in new, less experienced or immature mining environments, the guys are less eager to adopt technology to actually increase and implement and adopt these technologies. So on the one hand, being slow to adopt has also allowed us the opportunity to actually spend more time on proper training, proper empowerment, proper skills transfer, technology transfer. So it's also created additional opportunities for us in that people are slow in taking off into Africa.